What's going on, y'all? We got an unboxing today. I'm gonna get right to it because we probably gonna be making at least 3 videos about this right here. But just the unboxing so y'all can see what it is. My first official sponsor, and make sure I know incriminating evidence in here, you know. So this is Xegis Safe. Very interesting. It's a palm vein recognition desktop V12. This is available on Amazon, but this company reached out to me, said that they would like for me to, you know, do an unboxing video, give some thoughts, and if I liked it, I could do a giveaway with it. So see what it comes with. So you open up the box, you got the safe right there. Very nice quality. Let's see, we got, looks like a USB, no, not a USB, some type of magnetic charging thing. We'll get to that later. It's got screws and everything to get into it. Let's actually open up this bag real quick and see what we got. And in the meantime, we'll open this up, open this bad boy up and see what it's looking like. Ooh. So it's got a tether cable. This is really good because not a lot of actual cheaper safes come with this. I believe the price point is between 100 and 130 beans for this bad boy. And yeah, man, look at that thing. That looks very nice, and looks like you just do it like that. But we're gonna see, we're gonna open up the instructions and everything. Oh, it comes with physical keys too. That's really good. Because I've been wanting something for just like a pistol and maybe like a passport and a social or something like that. Something like this, I bet that'll fit in there just fine. But we'll see. Like I said, it's just the unboxing. We'll do like a first impressions video right after this. But let's see. Yeah, this has some type of weird charging thing. Oh, it is a Type C. It looks like it's just at an angle, so that's cool. Then it comes with your screws, mounting screws and everything like that. In case you want to mount it like to the wall or something, it does come with some really good screw posts. So maybe you could do it in like a wall and then like, you know, and then it'll just pop up, or you can do it like the side of the bed or something like that. We'll play with the options on it, see how it works, but it comes with a QR code for the initial setup, and then palm vein, quick start, frequently asked questions, and manual. So that's pretty cool. 4 to 6 inches above the thingy thing, and then yeah, then you got your manual right here, which I will be reading all off camera and show you guys how it works and everything in my first impressions. But this is just the unboxing. See what it comes with, let you know everything like that. Yeah, so looks like I have everything. That's good that they lay it out like that. But yeah, quick start video. I'm gonna watch that, and then I'm gonna make my second video for this guy, so stay tuned for that. Also, they said they're giving me one for a giveaway, and they're giving me a code so that you guys can get a discount on these on Amazon or wherever you decide to buy them. So hit me up in the comments, and I can probably drop that code, assuming that they give it to me. But let me know what you guys think. Safe looks pretty good so far, so good. But we gotta charge it up and see how it works. All right, guys, peace.